Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Today, I will show you how to add package box for small parcel. This video is going to show you how to create packaging parts for a small parcel station. The first thing you have to do is go to Module, Settings on the left-hand side, and click Product Group. Right here, you need to create an item group. On the top right-hand corner, click on Add Item Group. Put in the name of the group, and then select the customer. On the tags, make sure you choose Material. Once you've done that, just click on Save, and that's how you create an item group. The second step is to create the actual item for the material. Go to Product Spec, and in the top right-hand corner, click Add Item. Let's say you have a package that is 48 by 48 by 20. Put in the description. On the tag, make sure to put Material and then Save. For the group, select Small Parcel Material and then click Update. Also, click on Advanced Mode, hover to the Item UM tab, and input the dimension right here as well. As you can see right now, it's set to inches, but without the width and height. You need to click on Edit, input the dimension, and also the weight. When you're done, click Update. Once you're done, you should be able to see this package size in the small parcel station. Go to Warehouse, then Small Parcel Station, and input any kind of orders. In the packaging section, you will see the package has been added. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.